Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So it's a very urgent update and very important for all holder because my brother, this is the end of month and absolutely, my friend, the video is going to be very important, especially for all of you because we predicate this coin, we share opinion, my brother, and also do a technical analysis. So it's the last of month, every cryptocurrency is moving upwards. So absolutely, my friend, if the coin starting moving upwards, so definitely the holder are investing more and they cannot selling. They just only starting buying more and more. But absolutely this time the Cardano absolutely completely changed, my friend. You can see here this time change occur 2.78%. The price is pierced down. So absolutely very bad, my friend, because the change occur will be negative now. Change occur negative now. So therefore they fails down. So what's the main reason, my friends, today fails down? Absolutely there are a few reasons, and the first reason is that, my brother, to at the end of month every cryptocurrency moving upward, but when a holder starting selling, then definitely they fails down. Absolutely at the end of month every cryptocurrency take a very good profits, my friends, they will give you a very good profit. So therefore holder are starting selling to take a profit and absolutely be safe from loss. So therefore they fails down. And the second reason is that, my brothers, to remember when a short-term investor starting selling, so they fails down. And yes, my brothers, this time the market cap is also 2.83% fails down. Fully diluted market cap 2.83% fails down. Volume last 24 hours 5.58% fails down. And you can see here the market cap 0.05558, my friend, and circulating supply 31 billion, my friend, all over the world now. So I think as you can see, a 71% increase now. Max supply, as you can see, this time total supply, everything, my friend. This is just for update for all of you. And what's the price prediction, my friend? My prediction is completely gonna be positive now. And yeah, my friend, I'm 100% sure to there is a lot of chances, my friends, to upcoming time they will move up for now, because, my brother, after a fails every cryptocurrency will take a very huge jumps now. So therefore I know to upcoming time this will be go in the moon now. Let's see, my brother, but kindly you need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope if you hold, so they will give you a very good profit now. This time, as you can see, my brother, this time the Cardano price as 1.34 USD dollar, and absolutely after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. But it's, my friend, a very huge jump now. I think the resistance line come out here, so they cannot touch, my friend, again now. But absolutely they take a very huge jump now. So congratulations all of you, my brothers, today will moving upward now, and absolutely there is a lot of chances today will moving upward day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute. So see you next time. Please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.